Hi everyone! Thank you for watching today. Today I'll be creating a bonsai-inspired ikebana arrangement using flowering quince. Please enjoy watching until the end. Today's flower are Sweet William, Lace flower, and flowering quince. Today I found a very large beautiful branch of flowering quince, so I'd like to arrange it in a bonsai style. Are you familiar with bonsai? Bonsai is a traditional Japanese art that expresses nature in a small pot. In Ikebana, we also sometimes express natural landscape through flowers and branches. When the plant material is this large, it can be difficult to decide how long to make it and where to cut. In moments like this, instead of looking at the whole branch at once, try dividing it into smaller sections and carefully observe the shape of each part. I choose this part. Before cutting, I leave it slightly longer and look at it from different angles to find the angles where this branch looks more beautiful. Once you decide on the position, the next step is cleaning the branch. This may seem like a small detail, but leaving their tiny parts can make the branch look less beautiful. So take your time to carefully prune, deciding which parts to keep and which parts to remove. After finishing the pruning, we'll insert the branch into the quince. Because quince branches are very hard, let's use a technique that many of you may already know to insert it easily and safely into the quince. If you don't know this technique yet, please be sure to watch this video as well. After using this technique, insert the branch into the quince using both hands. Once you've tilted the branch to the angle you want, take a moment to carefully observe the balance between the branch and the container. Then prune away any unnecessary branches or buds. Next, we'll prune another quince branch. Take time to study its form and imagine how the shape will change with each cut you make. Whichever branch you choose, be sure to clean it up just like before, removing any branches you don't need. You may feel tempted to keep these flowers because they are still blooming, but if a flower is mostly faded, it's best to remove it. By doing so, the entire arrangement will look much more lively and refreshed. If you feel a little guilty about removing a flower, try saying, "Thank you for bringing me joy" to it before letting it go. Cut the branch little by little, checking the overall balance each time by pressing it against the arrangement. Once the pruning is complete and the length is adjusted, always insert the branch vertically into the quince using both hands. Then gently tilt it in the direction you want. Next, we'll arrange Sweet William. I'm still deciding whether to use 2 stems or 3. But in situations like this, I always make the final decision based on the natural shape of the flowers. Since today's arrangement is designed to resemble bonsai, I'd like to use Sweet William to create the look of moss. With just a small adjustment, the marks that look like bedheads soften and become lighter and airy. Flowers respond beautifully when you take a moment to care for them. With the second Sweet William, turn it gently as you observe it from different angles. And find the position that best brings out its unique character. Next, we'll move on to the third quince branch. For this one, I'd like to use it in an upright position. I take time to carefully consider how to bring out the most beautiful standing form of the branch. Since this branch is quite hard, it's important to make a small slit in the stem before pressing it into the kenzan. Lastly, we add the lace flower to finish the arrangement. After carefully observing the two lace flowers, I felt they were slightly too large for the balance of the piece, so I gently set out some of the blossoms. When I'm arranging flowers, I often find myself deeply focused without even realizing it. It feels as if my mind and heart are gently reset. Of course, I enjoy seeing the finished arrangement. But what I truly love is carefully choosing and refining each stem one step at a time. I hope this video inspires you to become interested in Japan and its culture through Ikebana. All done! How does it look? I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. That's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. And if you like to be even more healed by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. You'll find all the details in the description box below. もっとお花に癒されたいなと思ったら、ぜひ私の電子書籍をご覧ください。日本語版と英語版をご用意しております。概要欄にリンクを貼っておりますので、ぜひご覧ください。Thank you for watching till the end. 最後までご覧いただきありがとうございました。それではまた次回の動画でお会いしましょう。See you next time. Bye!